These are the Oakley Splice frames, and I'll show you how to take out the lenses and reinstall them. So to take out the lenses, you have to pull apart the frame and push out with both thumbs. This might take a little bit of force. So you take both sides, pull, and then push. Now to reinstall the lenses is a little bit more complex. So when you reinstall the lenses, you want to take the upper part of the lens and put it in the upper part of the groove first. You just slide it. You can ignore it if there's some spacing here, it's okay. And you push this side down and then the other sides. It should all snap into place. So then, let's repeat. You take the upper side of the lens into the upper side of the groove. And you don't want to push too much here. And you just make sure it's snug, and then you push the lower corner and then the other parts. And you should hear a click.